Welcome back to RsN Hospitality. Today, we're going to dive into the fundamentals of food production. Food production is a crucial aspect of the hospitality and culinary industries, and understanding its key components is essential for anyone aspiring to excel in these fields. Let's get started. Food production refers to the process of transforming raw ingredients into prepared food products. It encompasses a wide range of activities, from sourcing and selecting ingredients to cooking, packaging, and presenting the final dish. The goal is to create safe, nutritious, and appealing food that meets customer expectations and dietary requirements. First, let's talk about sourcing ingredients. Identifying and procuring high-quality ingredients from reliable suppliers is the foundation of great food production. Ensuring ingredients are fresh, safe, and meet the required standards is crucial. Building strong relationships with suppliers can help maintain consistency and quality in your food products. Next, we have food preparation. This involves cleaning, washing, cutting, chopping, and portioning ingredients according to recipes. Proper food preparation ensures that ingredients are ready for cooking and helps maintain the integrity and flavor of the dishes. It's important to follow standardized procedures to achieve consistency. Food safety and hygiene are paramount in food production. Implementing proper hygiene practices helps prevent contamination and ensures the safety of the food. Following food safety regulations and guidelines, such as HACCP, is essential. Regularly inspecting equipment and facilities helps maintain cleanliness and prevent potential hazards. Cooking techniques play a vital role in food production. Different cooking methods can be used to achieve desired textures and flavors. Understanding the principles of heat transfer, cooking times, and temperatures is important for achieving the best results. Using appropriate tools and equipment for each cooking method ensures efficiency and quality. Plating and presentation are key components of the dining experience. Arranging food on plates in an aesthetically pleasing manner enhances the visual appeal of the dishes. Garnishing and decorating dishes can add a touch of elegance and creativity. Ensuring portion control and consistency in presentation is important for maintaining standards. Proper storage and preservation of ingredients and prepared food are essential to maintain freshness and quality. Storing ingredients at appropriate temperatures, using preservation methods such as refrigeration and freezing, and implementing inventory management practices help reduce waste and ensure efficient use of resources. Food production is not just about cooking. It's about quality control, customer satisfaction, safety and compliance, and cost management. Ensuring consistent quality and taste of food products meets and exceeds customer expectations. Adhering to food safety standards protects consumers' health, and efficient resource management helps control costs. Food production is a complex and multifaceted process that requires a combination of culinary skills, knowledge of food safety, and an understanding of customer preferences. By mastering the principles of food production, hospitality professionals can create memorable dining experiences and contribute to the success of their establishments. That's it for today's episode on the introduction to food production. Thanks for watching RsN Hospitality. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time.